Yep. I just bought a backup camera. Well, first I bought a Wi-Fi for backup camera, which is this one. It's the 903W model. This is the Wi-Fi. This is how you connect your camera to your monitor, which is right now I'm using my old cell phone, Samsung Mega, and that's how it looks like. And originally I was using this camera, the Esky camera, which is this one right here. The video quality during the day is very good, and also it also has LED lights. I connected to my RV, but then and I connected as always on all the time. So during nighttime, the LED lights are too bright. So I took it out and replaced it with this kind. It's still a Sky because I like the video quality, but it's a different type. This is where I put my Wi-Fi right here, and also put a switch to power on the Wi-Fi and the backup camera. And this is where I connected everything. This is where the camera connection, the video, and the power. And this is where I got all the power for the Wi-Fi. And this is where I put the camera, right there. And this is the quality during daytime. So I gotta test it again for tonight.